The first thing that I tell my customers when they walk in the door is that I'm gonna do the best that I can to get the project done on time at the best cost. And hardly ever I decline a project. If it's really hard, I still give it a try and try to make sure that it's the best that we can do. My name is Daniel Moraz, and I've been working for Industrial Metal Enterprises for about 12 years. I went to college at Idaho State University and graduated with a degree on welding. While I was in high school, I took an ag class, and they offered part of the class involved welding, and that's how I became interested in becoming a welder for a living. Part of my job, other than just making sure that the projects are going out the door at a good quality and on time, would be train our new employees, and that includes college students or high school students that started at the same spot that I started. Right now I got one high school kid. He's very talented, and I see that he's going to have a future on this career either here or in school if he decides to go to school full time. But right now he's just helping, and I allow him to weld because he's got talent. A lot of the experience that I have came from the welding instructors at ISU and from the previous owner here at Industrial Metal Enterprises, but it's a constant apprenticeship. I'm always learning. It could be that I'm learning from a high school kid, or I'm learning from the current owners. It's always learning. My favorite part of my job is building, fabricating, welding at the best quality. I'm always shooting for the best quality, and I can never make it, so it can always be better. The design team has made it really easy for us to build the equipment to the point to where they give us a drawing with the view of the piece or the conveyor, the auger, on a 3D model, and that includes, again, a laptop or on our cell phones so that we can rotate it and view how it goes together. Then we get a packet of drawings with the part number, and that's what makes it easier to assemble. 99% of the equipment we build here, the parts, equipment, we go and install it. And most of that equipment goes to food plants. My goal as a shop foreman at Industrial Metal Enterprises is to provide our customers with the best quality product at the lowest cost, and to train and help new individuals on this industry. My title as a shop foreman doesn't mean I'm gonna sit on my chair, get everyone lined up with their project. I get my welding hood on, grab my hand tools, get my gloves, and I work with the crew. After hours and on the weekends when I'm not working, I enjoy boating or motorcycle riding. Those are the two things that I enjoy.